And thank you for watching Robin from City Sewing again, another heavy duty single. They're very popular. So this machine just came in, it's jammed up completely tight. You can't move at all. Nothing doesn't move. So I'm gonna go and check what happens. Usually these machines, because they are heavy duty, people really abuse them though. You know what I mean? They are strong, but they also break easy because with that heavy plate name on it, and that heavy duty whatever they put in there, people really work it very hard. I'm gonna go and check it out, open it up, and show you later. Let's see what's happening. Jump into it. Here's the machine. Look at that needle plate. You can see how bent this needle plate is right over there. See that? That's probably one of the issues why that machine is getting all jammed up. I'm gonna open it up and check it out. But, I don't like to see that. This is really bent. Look at that. Oh, this needle plate is all bent over there. Look at that. It's all bent. The needle plate, it's bent right over here. So that's no good, but still, I try to move it. The wheel, it's not moving. Everything is jammed up. Look at that. It's not moving at all. Nothing moves, Nothing moves. So I'm gonna go and check it out and see what's happening. Check what happened. Look at this. See that? Look at the feeder hitting the back of the plate right there. That's completely unusual. I'm gonna have to go up on inside and open and see what's going on. Because this is not good. You see how it's hitting the back of the plate right there? I have to open underneath and see what's going on. Something wrong with the feed door mechanism right here. You see that? Look at this. I just opened the machine from on the bottom. I open it up to see what's going on. I have to open this here to see what's going on. But I think the problem is here somewhere. The feed door mechanism is completely off. It's hitting the back of the plate. So I'm going to open it up. But look at this. It's a little bit of dust in there, huh? The problem that I want to show you right over here. This is the reverse stitch right here. See that there? That's the reverse stitch right there. It was stuck in there in that position. So the stitches was all the way to the length side, you see? So that's what happens sometimes. This part was stuck in here. So, by cleaning this up, I'm sure I'm gonna get this right. Look at this, it's a lot of dust inside. So I'm gonna make sure that I open it up. It looks like it was jammed up. It may be dry, but it all could be because of the dust inside also. Let me clean it up and show you after, huh? The machine now, I'm gonna make it some stitch samples so you could see that machine. The feed door was hitting the back part of the plate every time you turn it. It was very tight, and the reason why that part that came off, I show you that feeder mechanism and came out. So I put it back together. Everything should be up and running. I'm gonna show you now. Let me make some samples. Nice and fast. These are fast machines. They have a high-speed motor on it, so they work pretty good though. These machines are made to take a lot of pounding, so they work really heavy. So the machine is working nice. This machine, I was nothing major, nothing broken. That needle plate was bent on the center of it, so I make it straight. Because sometimes, getting so much punch with the needles on the top, they get bent. So definitely get it perfectly straight. Put something flat and hammer it down. Make sure it's flat, and then chip it up and running. Thank you for watching. Robin from City Sewing in New York, www.citysewing.com. Bye-bye.